In this video you will learn how to get the CAN bus statistics information. CanEasy provides a statistic for the whole bus and for every message. First let's create some test database. This database includes a channel, an ECU, a message and a signal. You can set the message properties using the list view of CanEasy. Set cycle time to 100 milliseconds and the transmission mode to cyclic. Now, you can start the simulation and open a trace panel for watching. You simply create a new trace panel by drag and drop the message to trace panel item. You can open the bus statistic panel via the tool menu of CanEasy. You see the number of transmitted messages and the transmission rate in frames per second in this panel. The same parameters are shown for received messages. You see that there are no received messages. Bus load is shown by a diagram and numerical value as a percentage of the maximum load. If the cycle time of the message gets reduced, you will see an increase of the bus load. Red mark shows peak load. For getting cycle time statistics per message you can load the statistic plugin. It can be loaded via the user plugin context menu. To configure the statistic plugin, you must drag and drop the message. Now let's start the simulation. A double click on the message opens a histogram of the cycle time. The horizontal axis shows the cycle time in milliseconds, the vertical axis shows a count of the messages with it. There are minimum, maximum and average cycle times as well as a count of the messages in the plugin field. If you increase the cycle time much, for example by stopping the transmission, this will be reflected in the histogram. The average cycle time in the plugin field will also increase. If you have some differences in the statistics of the message, then in the plugin field it will have a red color.